Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video, we will be discussing how can we create a OpenAI account and how can we create a OpenAI key for the key which can be used in our applications. Okay. So for that, first let me Google OpenAI. So here you will go to openai.com. So let me click on this API. So here we can see some docs are available and there is a pricing model is also available. So we will not be discussing the pricing model in this video. So let me click on the docs, the documentation part. Okay. Here they mentioned about like overview and this is a very detailed documentation. We can see they have discussing about what is tokens and what is a prompt. All those things are discussing. So what we are interested for this tutorial, we are interested in this model part. So this base GPT-3 models, okay, so which is called the basic model that is used for GPT-3 is like DaVinci, Curie, Babbage and Ada. So we can see that more about this documentation, more about these models in this documentation. We can see here, we can see this is the best model for GPT-3, like text -DaVinci.003, which is like last updated on June 2021, and this can be used in like most of the purposes. Okay, so there are like some other models also available which is updated like a couple of years back, 2019 and 2019. Okay, and it is one is like text query 001. It is faster, lower cost than DaVinci. So what we will do, we will be using this particular model. You can also try with these three models also. Okay, and here we have a playground. Come here, you can see that we can select different models here. Okay, you can select different models and I can select the temperature and maximum length and stop words. All those things can be selected here and I can try out here. Then if I want to see the sample code, I can see the sample code also from here. Based on this configuration, I will get the sample code from here. I can copy this here from here and it can be directly used. Okay, and let me come here. Currently I have logged into my application. Now what we can do here, let me see API view API keys. Okay, so first let me sign out, log out here. I will show you how can we start. Okay, now we can do login or we can do the sign up. Okay, it's very simple and easy process. Since I have already signed up, let me try to do the login part here. I'm going to log in here. So I'm using my account here, login with my ID. Okay, I have used my Gmail account to log in. Okay, now from here I can see there is a view API keys. Just click on this. Here I can create a new API keys or like I can use the existing one. Okay, so let me create a new one. Just click on this create new secret key. Okay. So this secret key will be used for in our next training sessions. Okay, but please note, please read this. Okay, please save this secret key somewhere safe and accessible. For security reasons, you won't able to view it again though your OpenAI account through your OpenAI account. If you lose this secret key, you will need to generate a new one. Okay, so I'm just copying and I'm saving it safely somewhere. Okay, okay, so that's all in this video. So we will be creating a sample Python application and I will show you like how can we connect to ChatGPT using Python.